लास्या भगिनी श्रूयते वा?
आं श्रूयते महोदय।
यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्य नखा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च। अथ नाट्यवर्गः। लास्या भगिनी, can you recite till wherever we have? Okay, let me do one thing. I will teach the full line. One second, wait. निशादर्श अथ नाट्यवर्गः।
अथ नाट्यवर्गः। अथ नाट्यवर्गः।
So if you can recite till here, just full line. Can you start?
Till where?
Till we have last week where we have done, no? Till here.
Okay. Okay.
Till tala kala kriyamanam.
निषादर्श भगान्धार षड्ज मध्यमधैवताः पञ्चमश्चेत्यमी सप्त तन्त्री कण्ठोत्थिताः स्वराः काकलीतुकले सूक्ष्मे।
You have to add these 5 lines. Shadjam, in the screen it is there. Shadjam mayuro vadati.
षड्जं मयूरो वदति गावस्तृषभभाषिणः अजाविकं तु गान्धारं क्रौञ्चः क्वणति मध्यमं पुष्पसाधारणे काले पिकः कूजति पञ्चमं दैवतं हेषते बाजी निषादं बृहते गजः मयूरादय एते हि मत्ता गायन्ति पञ्चमं काकलीतुकले सूक्ष्मे ध्वनौ तु मधुरा स्फुटे करो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्युच्चैस्त्रयस्त्रिषु नृणामुरसि मध्यस्थः द्वाविंशतिविधो ध्वनिः समन्द्रः कण्ठमध्यस्थः तारः शिरसि गीयते समन्वितलयस्त्वेकतालो वीणा तु क्वल्लकी विपञ्ची सा तु तन्त्रीभिः सप्तभिः परिवादिनी ततं वीणादिकं वाद्यम् आनद्धं मुरजादिकं वंशादिकं तु सुशिरं कांस्यतालादिकं घनं चतुर्विधमिदं वाद्यं वादित्रातोद्यनामकं मृदङ्गामुरजा भेदाः त्वङ्क्यालिङ्गोर्ध्वकास्त्रयः
स्याद्यशः पटहो ढक्का।
स्याद्यशः पटहो ढक्का भेरी स्त्री दुन्दुभिः पुमान् आनकः पटहो स्त्री स्यात् कोणो वीणादिवादनम् वीणादण्डः प्रवालः स्यात् ककुभस्तु प्रसेवकः कोलम्बकस्तु कायोस्याम् उपनाहो निबन्धनं वाद्यप्रभेदा डमरुमड्डुण्डिमझर्झराः मर्दलः पणवोऽन्ये च नर्तकीलासिके समे विलम्बितं द्रुतं मध्यं तत्त्वमोघो घनं क्रमात् तालः कालक्रियामानं लयः साम्यमथा स्त्रियाम्
ताण्डवं नटनं नाट्यं
ताण्डवं नटनं नाट्यं ताण्डवं नटनं नाट्यं
लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने
लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने
श्रूयते वा?
आं श्रूयते
श्रूयते लास्यं नृत्यं च लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने
लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने
तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम्
तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम् तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम्
भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च
भ्रकुंसश्च
भ्रुकुंसश्च पुनः वदतु there is some problem in the connection भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च I think last one has gone offline. प्रतिभा प्रतिभा भगिनी
महोदय
looks like last year some internet connection has not working, so can you tell please?
yes महोदय भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च
भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः
भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः
स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषः
स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषः स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषः
नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाञ्जुका
नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाञ्जुका नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाञ्जुका
भगिनीपतिरावुत्तः
भगिनीपतिरावुत्तः भगिनीपतिरावुत्तः
भावो विद्वानथावुकः
भावो विद्वानथावुकः भावो विद्वानथावुकः
जनको युवराजस्तु
जनको युवराजस्तु जनको युवराजस्तु
कुमारो भर्तृदारकः
कुमारो भर्तृदारकः कुमारो भर्तृदारकः
राजा भट्टारको देवः
राजा भट्टारको देवः राजा भट्टारको देवः
तत्सुता भर्तृदारिका
तत्सुता भर्तृदारिका तत्सुता भर्तृदारिका
देवी कृताभिषेक देवी कृताभिषेकायां इतरासु तु भट्टिनी
अब्रह्मण्यमवध्योक्तौ
राजशालस्तु
राष्ट्रियः
अम्बामाताथ
बाला स्यात्
वासूरार्यस्तु मारिषः अत्तिका भगिनी
ज्येष्ठा
निष्ठा निर्वहणे समे हण्डे हज्जे हलाह्वाने हंजे करेक्ट हण्डे हंजे हलाह्वाने नीचाञ्चेटीं सखीं प्रति
अङ्गहारोऽङ्गविक्षेपः
व्यञ्जकाभिनयौ समौ निर्वृत्ते त्वङ्गसत्त्वाभ्याम् द्वे त्रिष्वाङ्गिक सात्विके
शृङ्गारवीरकरुणा अद्भुतहास्यभयानकाः शृङ्गारवीरकरुणाद्भुतहास्यभयानकाः
बीभत्सरौद्रौ चरसाः
शृङ्गारशुचिरुज्ज्वलः
उत्साहवर्धनो वीरः कारुण्यं करुणाघृणा कृपादयानुकम्पा स्यात् अनुक्रोशोऽप्यथो हसः
अनुक्रोशोऽप्यथो हसः अनुक्रोशोऽप्यथो हसः
हासो हास्यं च बीभत्सम्
हासो हास्यं च बीभत्सम् हासो हास्यं च बीभत्सम्
विकृतं त्रिष्विदं द्वयम्
विकृतं त्रिष्विदं द्वयम् विकृतं त्रिष्विदं द्वयम्
विस्मयोद्भुतमाश्चर्यम्
विस्मयोद्भुतमाश्चर्यम् विस्मयोद्भुतमाश्चर्यम्
चित्रमप्यथ भैरवम्
चित्रमप्यथ भैरवम् चित्रमप्यथ भैरवम्
दारुणं भीषणं भीष्मम्
दारुणं भीषणं भीष्मम् दारुणं भीषणं भीष्मम्
घोरं भीमं भयानकम्
घोरं भीमं भयानकम् घोरं भीमं भयानकम्
भयङ्करं प्रतिभयम्
भयङ्करं प्रतिभयम् भयङ्करं प्रतिभयम्
रौद्रं तूग्रममीत्रिषु
रौद्रं तूग्रममीत्रिषु रौद्रं तूग्रममीत्रिषु
चतुर्दशधरस्त्रासः
चतुर्दशधरत्रासः चतुर्दशधरत्रासः
भीतिर्भिः साध्वसंभयम्
भीतिर्भिः साध्वसंभयम् भीतिर्भिः साध्वसंभयम्
धन्यवादः. So till bhayam we have completed. Vikaro manaso we'll take it. So how many lines I just read? 23 lines. Okay. 20 was I was thinking 23. It's okay. You have to finish the rasa and stop. That's why. Dhanyavadaha. So anybody who wants to recite, we have 5 minutes. So before I go into the recitation, I just want to have few announcements. One is that we are having this Subhashita course. I just it's a very interesting course taught by one of the great scholars in Bangalore, Shobha Vasuki. She's an excellent scholar and she has taken a lot of classes. I'm just trying to see. Those who can understand Sanskrit, please attend this class if you have time and if you think that is your area of interest. So she is going to take only 30 Subhashitas in 15 classes. Only it will be for 3 weeks. And this is the course we are talking about. From today it is starting. In next 10 minutes it will start. There is a Zoom link. You can actually register, take this course. If you do, I think there will be an automatic registration will come. Or you might have received the email or promotion mail from Vyoma Labs if you are there. So you can take this course and so main thing which I want to tell is you will get to know how the Anvayas are made. In any shloka, how to develop the Anvaya and the Padacheda Anvaya. And you will start hearing to Sanskrit sentences. When you start hearing to Sanskrit sentences, your Sanskrit vocabulary, your Sanskrit speaking, your Sanskrit understanding skills will improve. So first thing is for Sanskrit speaking, you have to hear to Sanskrit. Many times what will happen is we don't hear, there are not many speakers in Sanskrit. That is the most important thing if you have to develop good Sanskrit. And other thing is Subhashitas are also very important. So she has a very interesting way of teaching. I think we should all, even if you attend on one of the day or one of the 2 days, you will still get 4 Subhashitas. So suppose you cannot make it all the 15 days, you can still attend on how much ever you can. But if you want to take a test and assessment and all certificate and all you want, then probably you will have to attend the all the classes. So I think that is what they have said in the rules. She will conduct a small assessment and other things. So you can people who are interested can attend. And it is only for 15 days. So these 15 days I would be ending my class at 5:55. There has been requests from lot of people, Surya Narayan Mahodaya, Venkateshwaran Gopalan, Chitra Bhagini. There are many people who are attending classes. Then Radhika Mata. There are many people who are attending classes of Yoma and want to attend this class. So we will, anyhow, we had half an hour. We will be completing 5 minutes before. So that is what will be the plan for next 3 weeks. But we will also, that doesn't mean we'll be missing something. We'll be doing probably few lines of meaning and some few chanting, something like that we will be doing. But we will end the class at 5:55. Now today, if somebody wants to chant, please raise your hand. We will see if somebody wants to chant and can chant. I know there are a lot of people raising the hand. I will see who is not chanted. Jana Iyer. What do you want to chant? Jana Iyer.
No, I just want to find out one thing. Suppose you register for the Subhashtani class. We are already registered for. You require a separate password or something for that?
No, you just say, now you just join the course. Once you say join the course in front of you, I did that. There is a webinar.
So suppose
the
you just
webinar is
click that this thing, you will get it.
You will get that.
Take the course, and if you click on that, will you directly be put into that? Or you have to register?
See, I have been.
Or
See,
you
I
have
have
to
been
log
put
in?
into that.
I need a password. No, can I put the same password?
This is for the course page is different. Register for live classes. See, I just did take the course there. I have registered for the classes. You can register here. Register for live classes.
You have to separately register. Since you are already,
that is because it's.
I can take the course. The register will. In the registration, there are two things. Either you are a new one, or you are already in the Vyoma Pathashala, but you are taking this course. So I can straight away log in. That's what I'm asking.
See, registration for the course is different. Registration for the webinar is different. This is Zoom webinar. Webinar registration. So now I just did it in front of you. I am doing webinar registration now. For me to join, even I have not registered. So I have just registered now. So I have registered now and I am going inside. So you just go to the Sanskrit from home. If you have you got a promotion mail?
No, I have got. I mean, this thing has come.
There you click. If this mail has come, you just click here for live classes. Register and start registering. It will give this. It will go to the Zoom. Just now I did it in front of you. Register for the live classes. You have to register here. This is live webinar. So that this live webinar you would have got a mail from Sanskrit from home at vyomalabs.in. So please register like that.
Thank you so much.
Dhanyawad. So I think we will have to end the class now because 5:55. We will take the chanting tomorrow. Swasti Prajabhyah Paripalayantam Nyaya. Anybody has got any questions on the registration, you can put the hand. How to register for the Subhashita course. If you have any doubts, please raise your hand. Apart from that, others please drop the hand. So I think I have clarified Jana Iyer's doubt. There are no other doubts. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahim mahishaah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam lokah samastah sukhino bhavantu.